how to fix network issue when you finish flashing P33 Plus P6 Pro. So you need a file they call NVRAM file. The one I have here, this NVRAM file. Go through it, about 4 in number, but here we need only 2. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to install, in case you don't have SPD driver installed on your PC, I'm going to show you how to install it. I have 2 here. I will include it on the package as well, and I'm running Windows 10. What I'm using is Windows 10. You install this one. First of all, I installed this. I already have it on my PC, so I don't need to install it again. Then the next, I install this. If you want to install this, depending on your window, mine is 64-bit Windows 10, so I choose this one. So if your one is 32-bit, you choose this. So you run the installation. I'm not going to install it because I already have it installed on my PC. But if you have drivers installed on your PC, no need to go ahead and follow me. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to open Research 2 or Research Downloader. Please, this is important. If you try to use Upgrade 2, it may not actually give you an option, the detail file. So stick with Research 2. So open our Research 2 here. This is it here. We want to open it. Okay. Let me maximize it so you can see it very well. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to load our file. Whenever you open Research 2, which have worked on any phone, automatically the file will be loaded. But you have to do it again so that you are sure. Make sure you have a good backup or a good firmware of the Itel you want to repair the network service. This network is mainly caused by flashing or FRP bypass. So click here, say load packet, then locate where you save your ROM. Okay, go here, then this is where I saved my ROM. So I'm going to open that. Now where's my ROM? Then this is my ROM. So I'm going to load my ROM by opening it. So watch here, it's loading. It's loading here. So wait till it finish. Pay very attention, because the step we are going to take now, don't miss that. If you mess it up, you might mess up your PC. Your phone, sorry. So this Itel W5504, and that should be at the P33. Okay, this is information about the ROM or the firmware that I'm using. So now the work now starts. What we actually want to do here is to fix only the service or the network. So we're going to flash the phone partially. So what I'm going to do here now, I'll click here. Sorry, this one, that is the setting. This setting, I'll click on the setting. Then we'll come here, click backup. Click on backup. Okay. Once I click on the backup, look down. We have 3 files here that show that we can untick it. So I'm going to untick one. Once you do that, it's ready to edit or to be edited. Then untick these 2 and also this. Then I'll say OK. Right, then I OK this. That's gone. Then I'll go back again on the same setting, then click on it. Then I'll now come here, just look very well. I'll scroll down. I want tick vendor. If you check, this is my vendor. I want tick it. Then I'll scroll up a little bit and also on tick system, because what we're doing is partial flashing. Remember, if it's box, you may not do all these things. If your box can just fix the network using the NV file. So I scroll up, then look at the file that control network, this guy and this guy. So what I'm going to do now is like, I'll click on this, then double click it. When I double click it, look at this, something appeared here. This thing can take you to folder. So I'll now click here. It has taken me to folder. The next thing I'll do, I'll come here. I'm going to put the file down below on the description. I'll use this network fix file. So I'm going to replace this file with the file I already have on the firmware or the RAM. So I open this one, then I come down here, do the same thing. I double click on here, double click here. You have to be very careful not to do any other thing else. This appears, then I'll click on it, then select prod PRODNV. I'll select it. Good. When I'm done with this, the same way we did that the first time, click OK. We are now OK and we are good to go. Please remember one thing. In case you want to know more about how to do all this and other phones, the link to my lectures, which is 100% free, 100% loaded, about 20 hours plus, is down below. Just click on the link and you are good to go. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to click here, which is download. Click here. Once you click here, there's a warning here. I have not selected to backup IMI item. IMI will be erased and need to be written. If continue, say yes. Click yes, and you are good to go. If your phone is on, hold the volume up and down and hold the power button, connect it to PC. Once it turns off, leave the power button and keep on holding the volume and it will flash. If the phone is off, press and hold the up volume. Press and hold the up volume and then connect your phone with USB to your PC. Wait for it to finish flashing and your network is back. The file is on the description below. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.